Right, we got these this washer and dryer 30 years ago, 1993. It's Kenmore's. Washer is a 70 series. Dryer is the matching part, but I don't know. Get a better picture of that in a second here. I'm just going to do that now. This dryer has an Autodry setting where you just put it on that asterisk there, and it's supposed to go off by itself. It does not go off by itself. The dryer is so old it doesn't have a moisture sensor inside the drum or anything, so it actually somehow senses when clothes are dry by a resistor that's inside it. So anyway, on the dryer, the Autodry was no longer functioning. It wasn't turning off, and even if you put it on the timer setting, it didn't advance the timer or ever turn off. So I researched it, saw that the only thing I could find was replace the cycling thermostat. I replaced the cycling thermostat. It did not work. So then, finally researched more and recommended that I get a new resistor, which is this. So, resistor. This is the actual part that's in the dryer. The replacement part, was used, got it on eBay. The replacement part is something different. I'll put all that stuff in the description. Anyway, so this is what I got, and we're going to install it and see if that works. So all you have to do is take off this back panel. Comes off very easily. There. Now, if you can see, so here's the timer, and there is that resistor. Somehow this senses whether or not clothes are dry. Continuity of the new resistor has some some resistance. Happens to be 444. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Okay, so I'm going to take the black wires on the top, and check resistance here. No resistance or whatever. It's measuring nothing. So one would assume that then it's bad. I don't want to get that other thing. It's the same size. Okay. So real quick, this, if you can see, has this kind of melty bulge in it right there. I don't know if that means anything or not, but there it is. The new one does not have a melty bulge in it. I'm still shining on that. Okay, so it's easy enough to I don't know if I gave a close-up on that or not. Screws in there. Super simple. Alright. That's it. Let's put the back on. All right, and the hardest part about this repair is going to be putting the dryer vent hose back on, which is always a pain in the butt. We're going to run a load of laundry and see if the sensor goes off. I ran the dryer shut off by itself. Let's check and see if they're dry. Look at that. Dry close. Autodry works now. It was this resistor again. I replaced that, did the job. Autodry now works again. Awesome. All right, well, hope I helped you.